Hey guys, today we gonna discuss cloud security. So, what is cloud security? It is the protection of data stored online via cloud computing platforms from theft, leakage, and deletion. Methods of providing cloud security include firewalls, penetration testing, obfuscation, tokenization, virtual private networks, and avoiding public internet connections. As an overview, backend development against security vulnerabilities is largely within the hands of cloud service providers. Aside from choosing a security-conscious provider, clients must focus mostly on proper service configuration and safe use habits. Additionally, clients should be sure that any end-user hardware and networks are properly secured. The full scope of cloud security is designed to protect the following, regardless of your responsibilities: physical networks like routers, electrical power, cabling, climate controls, etc. Data storage like hard drives, etc. Data servers like core network computing hardware and software. Computer virtualization frameworks like virtual machine software, host machines, and guest machines. Middleware application programming interface, API, management. Data, all the information stored, modified, and accessed. Applications traditional software services like email, tax software, productivity suites, etc. Security concerns. Cloud security is a key concern for cloud storage providers. They not only must satisfy their customers, they also must follow certain regulatory requirements for storing sensitive data such as credit card numbers and health information. Third-party audits of a cloud provider's security systems and procedures help ensure that users' data is safe. Major threats to cloud security include data breaches, data loss, account hijacking, service traffic hijacking, insecure application program interfaces, APIs, poor choice of cloud storage providers, and shared technology that can compromise cloud security. Distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks is another threat to cloud security. These attacks shut down a service by overwhelming it with data so that users cannot access their accounts, such as bank accounts or email accounts. Responsibilities of cloud users. Maintaining the security of data in the cloud extend beyond securing the cloud itself. Cloud users must protect access to the cloud that can be gained from data stored on mobile devices or carelessness with login credentials. Another cloud security issue is that data stored on a cloud hosted in another country may be subject to different regulations and privacy measures. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.